Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 Economics Objective Past Question 1. Which of the following is central to the definition of economics? A. Resources, B. Wants, C. Scarcity, D. Capital. So first, let's look at the definition of economics. So the widely accepted definition of economics was given by Lionel Robbins, and he defined economics as the science which studies human behavior as a relationship between ends and scarce means which have alternative uses. So in this definition, let us underline scarce means. Now, scarce means refers to limited available resources, and to paraphrase this, scarcity. So scarcity is a central part of the definition of economics because there would be no economic problem if resources were not scarce. So if resources were not scarce, or if there was no limited availability of resources, there will be no economic problems, and hence there will be no economics. So the idea of scarcity is very, very important, and it is central. You can say it's central to the definition of economics. It is due to this reason that economics is sometimes defined as the study of scarcity. So as we have rightly established, option C, which is scarcity, is the answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.